Your brain is a 3-pound universe of electricity and chemistry, orchestrating everything from your heartbeat to your most profound thoughts. For centuries, its workings were a mystery, but modern science has begun to map its terrain. This journey begins with fundamentals. Your brain operates through a delicate dance of neurons firing electrical signals and releasing chemical messengers like dopamine and serotonin. This isn't a static machine but a dynamic, adaptable organ. Its superpower is neuroplasticity, the ability to rewire itself based on your experiences, from learning a new language to recovering from an injury. This intrinsic flexibility means you are not stuck with the brain you have today, you can shape it through your daily choices. This deep connection between brain and body is most evident in your stress response. When threatened, your brain triggers a cascade of hormones, preparing you for action. Once the threat passes, a separate system restores calm. Understanding this cycle is crucial, as chronic stress can keep your brain in a state of high alert, impairing memory and emotional regulation. Your brain also runs on its own internal clock, governed by biological rhythms that dictate your energy, focus, and creativity throughout the day. Whether you're a morning lark or a night owl, aligning your tasks with these natural peaks and troughs can significantly boost your effectiveness, scheduling analytical work for your sharpest hours and creative brainstorming for when your cognitive filters are down. To cultivate a resilient and sharp mind, start with an honest assessment of your mental well-being. Are you sleeping soundly? Can you focus when needed? Do you feel emotionally steady? Small, targeted adjustments in key areas can produce profound results. Two of the most potent yet neglected levers are hydration and sleep. Even mild dehydration clouds thinking, while quality sleep is non-negotiable for memory consolidation and neural repair. Movement is another cornerstone. Physical exercise increases blood flow, stimulates the growth of new neurons, and acts as a natural mood regulator. Furthermore, never underestimate the brain-nourishing power of genuine social connection. In an age of digital interaction, loneliness poses a real risk to cognitive health, making active efforts to build community essential. Your brain communicates its needs not in words, but in signals. A persistent headache, a bout of mental fog, a shift in mood, or a lapse in memory are all messages worth decoding. Common issues like brain fog often stem from lifestyle factors, sleep deprivation, stress, or poor nutrition, and can be addressed with targeted rest and replenishment. Emotional states are deeply intertwined with cognitive function. Low mood narrows your focus and hampers concentration, while anxiety can trap you in cycles of unproductive rumination. Learning to recognize these patterns is the first step toward interrupting them, using tools from mindfulness to structured problem-solving. The landscape of brain function is wonderfully diverse. Conditions like ADHD and autism spectrum disorder highlight that there is no single correct way for a brain to operate. ADHD, for instance, involves differences in dopamine pathways and prefrontal cortex activity, which can challenge focus but also gift periods of intense hyperfocus and creativity. Similarly, autism represents a distinct neurotype, often characterized by unique strengths in pattern recognition, attention to detail, and deep focus. Viewing such variations through the lens of neurodiversity encourages us to appreciate different cognitive styles rather than merely pathologize them. This perspective is vital for creating supportive environments that allow every brain to thrive. Ultimately, this knowledge empowers you to pursue peak cognitive performance tailored to your unique neurology. By strategically applying insights about your chronotype, stress management, nutrition, and cognitive training, you can design a lifestyle that amplifies your mental strengths. The goal is not to chase an impossible standard of perfection, but to engage in ongoing, mindful tuning of your most powerful asset. Your brain's capacity for change is its greatest gift. With consistent, thoughtful care, you can steer it toward greater clarity, resilience, and vitality, unlocking a more focused, balanced, and capable version of yourself.